Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a newly listed small cap where veteran HNI investor Vallabh Bhanshali has bought 21,85,392 shares during the previous quarter. This represents a stake of 1.26% acquired by Vallabh Bhanshali in this company during the last quarter. Now friends, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like this video, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Also friends, the link to our free Telegram group is present in the description of the video. If you want to join our group, please go ahead and click on the link. This will help you to get notified of stock market developments at the earliest, even those information which we are not able to post on YouTube due to a lack of time. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is CSB Bank Limited, which is available at rupees 192.95 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is CSB BANK. Now CSB Bank Limited provides commercial banking services. The company was founded on November 26, 1920 and is headquartered in Thrissur, India. Now looking at the chart since listing, this company went on a very strong debut as far as its listing was concerned. However, since then it has been a complete laggard. The company has a market capitalization of 3,346.83 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 1.36 translates into a price to earnings ratio of a whopping 141.88 times, which means that this company is very expensive when compared with the industry price to earnings ratio of 40.79. However, it's imperative to remember that this company has just turned around and hence the numbers may not be accurately reflective. The price to book ratio of 1.85 is decent for a bank. The debt to equity is 0.1331, whereas the dividend yield for this company is 0.52%. The promoter holding is average at 49.73%, out of which nothing is pledged. Now friends, this company could also be transitioning into gold loans, etc., and hence this could be a company to look out for going forward. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended only to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.